Hey, this is Mihan. Welcome to Dream Hustle YouTube channel. Here I will help you how you can able to make money online in this channel. So please make sure to subscribe to this channel so that you will get more updates and more videos. So here in this video, without any let me get it to the point. That is, if you are using System.io and if your email deliverability rate is decreasing, I mean your account is getting risk is at risk. I will tell you a better solution how you can able to decrease the bounce rate and also how to increase your email deliverability rate. Okay, let me show you, because actually my account got little bit it is in moderate risk mode, so that's why I want to fix it as soon as possible, because I want my mails to deliver as soon as possible with the, I mean like I need to have a good email deliverability rate, because I want to send my emails in a proper time to all my email list subscribers. Whoever want to receive my emails, I want to send them on time. So let me show you actually. So let me share my screen with you here. Um, so if you observe here, I sent till now 87 newsletters, and almost I have a 6,000 plus contact list. You can see a 6,700 something. So the thing is, the problem here is if you click on this emails and the statistics, so here you can check your email statistics. You can see here pool moderate risk. So my account is in moderate risk uh, because of few reasons. You can click here. You can see here. I just clicked on this question mark. You have a medium percentage of bounced messages or spam reports. More generally, have the same number of bounced emails and spam reports, but you can increase your email deliverability rate by following best practices. That one I will show you now. You can, if you want, you can click on this button, so it will tell you. But I will tell you in this video. So what exactly is happening is, uh, when I send email to people to my email list, some people given wrong email address. Okay, it might even happen with you also. Somebody just to get a free book or just to get a free video, what they will do is they'll enter a wrong email address. Some people by mistake they'll enter wrong email address. So what will happen to our system account is, when we keep on sending emails to the wrong email address, the email will bounce back. It will not, since the email address is not correct, the email will come back to our System.io. So it is a like waste of time for System.io for sending the emails and again bouncing back. So that is the reason they will decrease our deliverability rate if we not maintain our list clean, our email list clean. So what we need to do is, I'll share my screen again. So now what we are supposed to do is go to contacts. Here, this one contacts. So I have 6,700 something contacts. So here, what you need to do is you can scroll down here and click on this contact state. Okay, click on contact state, select this button. So once you select this button, you can see here select. Click on this, and now you can see bounced. Click on bounced. So it will display the bounced emails. You can see 30 contacts are bounced. You can see when I click, when I see here, it is showing a stop button. Emails which were sent to this contact were bounced back by the recipient server. So what we need to do is, we need to remove all this. So select all these. Okay. So once you click on this button, actually every marketing subscriber will be selected. So now next, if you can see here, select also this. So now you can see click more actions, unsubscribe. You can literally delete. Okay, delete. So are you sure you want to delete the selected contacts? Absolutely, we don't want those people who given wrong email address. So confirm. So this action permanently delete selected contacts. Once deleted, they cannot be restored. Do you want to proceed? Yes, because I don't want all this like dummy candidates, right? So now it looks empty, right? Right. Okay, I just felt, oh my God, my total list was cleared, but it's not happened. So now you can see I cleared that one. But if I select this contact state, and if I select bouncer, so see, there is no bounced email. I selected this contact state bounced, everything is gone. Now what we will do is we also click on select unsubscriber. So these people are unsubscribed from my list, 608 contacts, unsubscribed from my email campaign. So if you can see here, if I click on this, so this contact has indicated that they no longer want to receive marketing emails from me. So that's completely fine. So what I'll do is delete selected and delete. I don't want these people also, right? Just make sure that you have this right filter. Again, if you don't select this filter, all your emails will be wiped off. So just make sure, okay? If you are not 100% sure, just go back and come here and again select this contact state and select this and select on unsubscriber. Okay, so there are no contacts with the unsubscribed, so we all deleted. Okay, so who are active now, it will display the active. So now you can see it was before 6,700 something, right? So now it is 6,100. It means my list is totally clear now. So if I send an email right now, if I send an email to this contacts to this 6,100 actually. So it is yeah, 6,100 contacts. Now my email deliverability rate will increase. Okay, so I hope this video helped you. If you are facing this issue, just try to fix in this way so that you can able to increase your email deliverability rate. And also for more videos, try to subscribe. Like just subscribe to this channel so that I will bring more videos to you. Okay, thank you so much. All the very best for your business. Hey, one more thing. If you're new to this channel and if you don't know me, who I am and everything, I'm an affiliate marketer and a YouTuber who do affiliate marketing. Like if you want to start your affiliate marketing online business, just I will be dropping a 3 days challenge link, which will literally allow you to start your business in just 72 hours. The link will be in the description. Just go there and start with the challenge, and also I'll give you my support. Just let me know once you started the challenge. Text me on Instagram or text me in a comment in the YouTube for this video. I will get back to you. Okay, all the very best and make sure to subscribe.